Thank you for very much for taking time out of your day to listen to our product updates for webMOBI. We have got some really exciting updates for everybody here. We will talk about the webMOBI dashboard, apps, streaming portal, and registration site. And we'll also be going through the entire process of publishing an event. So let's log into the dashboard and click on create a new event. So before when you log into the dashboard, we can enter the system by entering a login and password, or we can use OTP for login. So once we log in, we'll see a list of events, and then we can go ahead and create a new event. And we'll enter the basic details like the type of event. So we can select straight show an event, and you can choose any other type of event as well. Um, Once we do that, we will see all the information for the event. Now, kindly note that this is a multi-event system. So the first basic details will be around the overall event information, and then we will be entering information for a specific event. So this is right now the overall event information that we are entering. So we'll enter the details, the description, the title of the application, and this will be used across all the events. So you can have, say, for example, 5 events, right? So you can enter this information for the overall event series. So let's enter the title of the event, the specific event that we are publishing, the first event in the series of event. And then we can enter the details for that specific event. We can enter the URL extension. So this is a unique value which allows you to access this information from the like the URL. So this value has to be unique. You can enter the company name, and the company name cannot have any special character. You can enter the website URL, and then the start and end date for that specific event. The location, country, city, the venue, and you can, this is picked from the Google Maps, so you can pick up, you can put any location there, which can be picked up from Google Maps. Here we'll enter the branding information. The branding will have banner and the icons, and this will be showing up across all the different app, registration portal, and the streaming portal. And then the theme color. So you can choose a theme color that you want for the specific event by selecting the specific theme. Further, you have option to enable registration. So when you want to capture registrations, you can capture by adding the registration information. Let's save and continue. So now we have successfully created the event, and now we can move forward to the next steps. Now here you will see the layout of the application. So now here on the left side, you will see all the different modules, and you can choose to add more modules by clicking on add features to your event. So when you click on add features to your event, you can add the speakers, exhibitors, agenda, all of that information can be added. And you can choose which module you want to activate. Once you click on a specific module, it will be getting listed on the left side of the layout panel. And when you click on each of these modules, you will see further information. For example, if you click on agenda, it will show the agenda information. You can choose to upload the information manually, or you can use Excel by uploading the Excel as well. Let's close this. Yeah, here you can see the Excel upload option. You can download a template and you can upload the information. So you can select a specific module, and it will automatically upload all the information, map the information to specific fields, and all the information will be immediately populated in the system. Now in the middle panel has the branding information of the application, so theme color, and you can change the brand images also. These brand images can be associated with the specific module. So for example, in the top you can have maps, and that can link to a map image. So this whole experience makes the app very brandable. Then we can go ahead and continue, save and continue. So we have added enabled restrictions. So now we can add tickets. Tickets basically enable you to capture the restrictions. You can enable users to register. Once they register, you will receive the registration information. So here you can enter the quantity, minimum quantity 1 and 1, maximum quantity 1. So this means that each user can book maximum 1 ticket, and type can be early bird. And then you can add any start and end date for the event. So that means that once the date is over, that either the tickets are sold, or if they're not sold, that ticket type will stop showing. And you can add the registration information, ticket description also. And then we can go ahead and add this ticket. So here you can add like available halt or hidden option. So if it is available, it is going to be immediately available. You can also halt the sales, or you can hide the tickets and show it at the appropriate time. So now let's save and continue. And now publish. Publish is a very important part of the event process. So you need to publish the event to make it live. So this will trigger a notification across all the different systems, and all the information will be updated automatically. So it's very important when you update the information, it goes live. Now let's go ahead and open a specific event, and then we will update the information further for the specific event. So here, as you can see here, that once you log in and once you open a specific event, you will see all the different modules. So CMS is where you manage the information. Live polls is where you can conduct and add live polls with the engagement AI. Audience marketing is where you can basically do the yes. So here you can see all the lists for all the live polls and all the live polls that you can add for the specific event. Now, audience marketing is where you can basically enable engagement. So you can see the registered users and you can like send a campaign. So when you click on campaign, you'll be able to see like a campaign, and you can also send this campaign out to any specific users. Let's open up this campaign. So here you can either add the, like on the right side, you see variables. So you can basically add those variables onto the campaign, and you can send out specific messages for that specific campaign. And you can change the messages, and you can send the message to either one attendee or to everyone. Now let's close this. Then there is a registration of custom workflows. So registration of custom workflows is where you can actually capture the registrations for the users, and you can add some custom information. For example, if you want to capture any specific information, first name, last name, mobile number, so all that information can be added from this module. And you can choose to have what type of feedback you want to capture, whether it's a single choice or you want to have open-ended questions. Now let's go to reports and app statistics. So this shows all the information that is like surveys, polls, any statistics. All that information will be visible here. App statistics: how many users have registered. It will show registered users who are logged in. It will give you good insight about the current engagement in the event. And then finally, app admin management. App admin management is where you can actually configure who are the admins of the users. User admins meaning the admins who are managing the mobile apps, and the dashboard admins are admins who are managing the admins information on the dashboard side. And then finally, the push messages. So push messages basically allow you to engage the users. You can send out periodic push notification messages using the push message system. So let's go to a specific like CMS. And as we talked about, you can actually update the information here. So as you can see here in the middle panel, we have added custom images for each of the modules, and we have linked them to different modules. So let's say, for example, open speakers here. So here you can see the list of speakers, and let's open any specific speaker just to show how it is looking like. So we can just go ahead and edit one of the speakers. And here you can add like their information and it can be like configured, the profiles, all of that can be updated. Let's close that. And let's close, yes. Once we have the speakers updated, then we can add the agenda updates. So we typically recommend any updates that you're making for the speakers. First do that and then go to the agenda. Let's go to the one of the agenda items. So here you can see the agenda where you'll be able to see all the speaker here. So let's link one of the speakers in this for the session. Scroll down, and here you'll see the streaming link. So it's very important to add a streaming link for any specific session, so that that streaming link opens up when we open the streaming site. Now we have the app ready. So we'll go ahead and publish it. Now let's see the website. If you go to the top, and let's click on the left icon. This. So once we do that, it will open up the registration site. As you can see here, this is the registration site that has picked up all the content, speakers, bios, agenda, sessions. All of that information is here. The exhibitors, the tickets. So you can enable ticketing here, and then the logo of the specific event. Now let's scroll up, and so this is example of the event. Now let's go ahead and open the streaming site. So here let's log in here. So the streaming site basically like you can once you register the users in the audience marketing section, or when you register users using the registration site, those users will be visible here. Now I'm logged in, so I can see the information about the event. Left panel shows the agenda, the speakers, all the information that we have published in the dashboard. All of the information is available here. So let's click on agenda. So let's join one of the sessions where we'll show the session. So here we have embedded the YouTube link, the embedded YouTube link. So here you can see the live streaming. So let's play that session. So as you can see here, now the session has started, and you can see either it can be pre-recorded or a live session. And the same way we can embed other types of meetings as well. So let's close it. And let's go back to the session. So here, as you can see, now we have configured and show the streaming site. Now let's go ahead and show the mobile app. So as you can see here, this is the mobile application. Now mobile app, the logos and the banner images and the event specific images are all visible. So let's click the application, the first one. Yeah. So here you'll see the layout. So this layout is the same layout that we designed in the CMS. So you can see the speakers, the agenda, the sponsors, the streaming site, and the different tabs that are linked there. So let's click on agenda here. So let's go to the 25th session. Yes, and then the same session where we can see the video. Yes, click on that.
Now go back.
So here you can see when you tap on the event details, you'll be able to see the video recording, and you can either see it live or you can see the embedded video. So let's click on the video. So now we can see the video recording or the live video as well. And the same way we can embed different other streaming systems as well. So let's go back now. And let's go back further. On the left, let's click on the left top banner. So just to show the left panel. See, left panel has all the modules which are activated, like live stream, contact us, speakers, documents, maps. All the modules are available, and this is all brandable based on the theming that has been designed for that specific event. Let's close this. Let's click on the right side. So the right side has the admin panel, because this is a user admin. So with the admin panel, the admin will be able to engage the users by sending out push messages. You have the schedules, companies, your notes, your chats, notifications, your badge for check-ins. All that information is set up on the right panel. So in summary, now we have seen the dashboard site where we are publishing all the information. The information can be published really easily using the either via the Excel spreadsheets or the or entering the information manually in the CMS. Then we saw the registration site where you can capture the registrations and also add custom fields. We saw the streaming side where we can see the information about the event as well as see the live streaming from the web link. And then we saw the mobile app, which has all the features to see the event information and engage the audience. So that covers all the information for this webinar. Thank you.